Hello and welcome. This is Sandra at Life Over 60 with Sandra. How would you like to go out of the house looking like you are so healthy but you don't have any makeup on? Well, we're going to do that today. The look that I'm wearing right now is made up of Boom products that I already have and a very exciting new makeup product that Boom has sent to me. So let's get going, and I am going to do a no makeup look today.
It's 9 in the city, and I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard?
I have always believed in pro-aging. All of the women throughout my life that I have admired have always been aging naturally, aging gracefully, and aging proudly. And that is why I really like Boom Cosmetics. Boom Cosmetics is a pro-aging company. They realize that we can't stop aging, but we can take care of our skin, embrace what wrinkles come, and make them a little bit softer, and make the image in our mirror just a little more beautiful with natural products. So you can imagine how excited I was to know that Boom has come out with the very first pro-aging mascara, Boom Bright. So today I would like to use a couple of my boomsticks and do a little makeup with you today to show you how I apply some of my products and how I apply this new wonderful Boom mascara. I have already cleansed my face. I have done my serums, and of course I put on the Boom Cotton Moisturizer. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my boomstick color, and I'm going to put a little bit of color in my face like that, just very gently. It's very concentrated and brings the color up very beautifully. And one thing is really so good about Boom also, and this, because it will go with any skin tone, any skin color. It just blends right in and gives you such a natural look and a natural glow. So those are the three places that I use my Boom color. Some people also use it on their eyelids, but I prefer to use the glimmer stick on my eyelids. And what I do also to give myself a little bit of contour right here, I just put a little bit of Boom glitter there, and you can see it just gives me a little bit of contour. But I used my glitter on my eyelids. That's what I like, and a little bit up here on my brow bone. These products glide on so naturally, you don't feel them, they're very light, and they just kind of blend in with your skin and give you such a very natural look, and that's what I love about them. Now, the excitement comes with the Boom Bright. I really am so thrilled. I'm going to have to use a little mirror for this, of course, to be able to look at the very nice brush it comes with. A lot of good bristles that really grab your eyelashes and make them separate and really look so nice. And it goes, one thing I've always noticed also when I use this, it's so easy when you cleanse your face at night. It's so easy to come off. So just curl your brush a little bit around like that. And my eyelashes are so light. So you can imagine when I get color in my eyes, it really makes my eyes pop. And I usually don't put anything underneath my eyes, but because this is so light and so pretty, I'm just going to swipe it just a little bit, very lightly, on my lower lashes. Not very heavily, but just very lightly. All right, now I'm going to do the other eye. See the difference? Already you can see the difference in how it brings out my eye because I'm so very fair and so very light. And also I'm going to swipe a little bit under here. Anytime you add mascara to your lashes, especially if you're very fair like I am. I have very light eyes, very light lashes, so my eyes just kind of fade into my whole face. But by using mascara, it really brings out my eyes and makes them pop. And I also, believe it or not, it has a very nice natural aroma to it. It's something that I do with this mascara that I have experimented with, and I found that it really does work, and it lasts all day, and it doesn't smear. I just take my wand with a little bit of mascara on it and just gently stroke my eyebrows, just gently, just to give them a little bit of color that looks natural. There is my Boom makeup look with just the boomsticks and the Boom Bright. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate your coming along with me, and I love your comments. Please do something really wonderful for yourself today. And as I always say, be kind to whomever crosses your path. And of course, to share the love. And this is me in my natural, no makeup look.
But then out of the blue